Garbage truck. Drag the part to the right place. Move the part to the right place. Move the part to its place. Drag the part to its place. We did it! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Drag the part to its place. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Keep it up. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. We need to wash. Garbage truck. Run the brush over the machine to remove dirt. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Move the vehicle onto its place. Done!